Hi friends, welcome to testingshala YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss on 5 challenges which you are going to face when you are going to implement the agile model. I am going to discuss the 5 challenges. These things will be asked in your interview questions as well. Can you name some of the challenges you face while you are implementing the agile model? So I'm going to discuss the 5 important and in detail those challenges and how we can overcome those challenges as well. If you are visiting first time the Testing Shala YouTube channel focuses on software testing. First challenges you normally face is unclear user stories. At the beginning of the every sprint, whatever the user story which they are going to give for development, those user stories are not well written, are not very clear, so that when developer or tester is going to pick those user stories, become a big challenge because when they are not able to understand properly the user stories. So it is always good to bring some business analyst who can hear from the product owners and write the crystal clear requirements so that it would be very beneficial when we adopt the agile model. So let's move on to the second challenges normally the testing team to be faced is unclear definition of done, because every user story they should clearly define what is the acceptance criteria to accept that user stories. They have to clearly define what is the definition of done. If they are not written properly the acceptance criteria, when to stop implementing or when to stop testing, then there is no end to it. To solve this issue, product owners should clearly indicate what is the clear indication of the definition of done. So let's move on to the third challenges faced by the testing team is testing too late in the sprint. Testing normally, if we take an example, the 2 weeks model, the most probably testing team will get the build at the end of the first week or last 3 days where we get a testing even when you are operating an agile sprint model. But that is not going to work out. The overall concept of agile model here is as and when they implement should hand over to the testing team. They should be able to deliver every 2 days or 3 days so that testing team work doesn't just limit to the last 2 days of work, and they have to be in doing execution as and when they implement it and give it to the testing team. So let's move on to the fourth challenger here is poor team communication. Because in agile model we bring complete collaboration across all the stakeholders. It could be PMs, it could be PO, Scrum Master, BA, documentation team, developers, testers. Should always go to chart, write a detailed communication plan, then share with everybody and collect their feedback, make it as a charter for everybody to follow. In that way, the communication will improve. Communication will improve in that way across teams and stakeholders. If you do not bring the right communication plan, then your complete agile model is going to fail. So let's move on to the fifth challenges. Agile is not a silver bullet to solve all your problems. Should not have a wrong expectation because you are doing an agile and you can do everything. That is a mis-expectation should not keep by any stakeholders, and there should be a clear expected goals and expectation should be defined so that your agile model would be successful. Otherwise, your agile model would be another disasters. I hope We understood the 5 different challenges faced by the team when they're adopting agile model for the first time. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on like button and bell notification so that all our future videos from Testing Shala would be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your testing skills. And with that, you should be able to get a better opportunities as well. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.